Hey everybody, just want to do a really quick video to talk about what you can expect this week as we are learning about reflection of feelings. You do have um, another recorded interview like you have done in the past, but I'm tweaking it this time. After some feedback and reviewing the videos, I think that it's been problematic working with our family members, and so I think that this time what we're going to do is we're going to reach out to one another again, to our midterm practicum partners, and use each other to do your recorded sessions. So that's the point of this video. Just a couple things to go over. How's that going to work? Just like in Google Hangouts, there is another feature, and you heard me talking about this. If you know, I talked with several students about this after our practicums. There's a feature called Zoom.us, and that is a free software site. I'm going to go to it here so you can see. Right here, it's free. All you have to do is register an account. No, again, it's free, and it's just like Google Hangouts, except it gives you the option to be able to record your sessions. So you guys will take turns playing the role of the interviewer and the role of the client that's seeking assistance, and you will be able to record your sessions. I have a tutorial video posted in Moodle here for you to take a look at. A few things that are going on this week. As we get to that, I have some helpful hints that are posted, and right here, embedded in Moodle, there's a direct link to Zoom US that you can create your account and begin. So in case you're wondering, like, oh gosh, I don't remember who my partner was for my midterm practicum, I forgot their name, I'm terrible with names, I get it. So I have everyone listed here in Moodle as well. So lots of excuses the last time about I don't have anybody that can help me. My friend backed out. Nobody showed up. You know, my dog ran away, whatever. No more excuses. Now, you guys don't even have to leave your home. You don't have to get anybody to come to your home. You don't have to rely on anyone outside the class. And I feel like since most students, all of you have a stake in this and all of you want to get a good grade, when you're asking friends and family members, even though they're reliable, they might be camera shy, they change their mind. They don't have a stake in this like you do. They're not risking a grade or anything. Both of you have something to gain or lose in this, so that's why I feel like this would be the best way. And you're not going to always work with your midterm practicum partners. We're going to mix it up. You're going to have an opportunity to meet other people in the class. I promise you guys are a really good group anyway. And nobody bites. Everybody's really nice, and it's going to be fun. I know it's pushing you outside your comfort zone, but we ask our clients to take risks every single day in the field, and we have to be willing to take risks too. So, having said that, I have this video posted here that you'll want to watch on the Zoom tutorial. It tells you step by step from creating your account to beginning your conferencing session, and also recording your conferencing session and how to upload that. Now, this will upload in an MP4 file once you're done. And what you'll need to do is remember where that's saved to. Usually it's your downloads file. And then you're going to upload your MP4 file into Google Drive, your Google Drive. And then you're going to share that with me. When I say share that with me, what I mean by that is by going here and looking into your Reflection of Feelings lab, because after you do your recorded interview, you're going to complete this lab here. And right here, see the instructions? It says at the top, right here, you will share the URL at the top of your journal. So if I were going to start a journal here, I would go down here. Well, first of all, you're going to copy and paste all of this into your journal. Just like so. And at the very top of this, right here, you're going to put your video recording, and this is where your URL is going to go. I would go over here and copy and paste the URL from my Google Drive. I don't have a video that I want to share, but if I did, I mean, it could be really anything. Let's say that I wanted to do copy and paste this. I would go here and get shareable link. Then I would come back over here in Moodle and I would copy and paste that. I don't think there we go. And that will let me know that this is the link I can use to find your video. So lots of issues with that last time, and I think that it might be overwhelming because you're using different software, some using technology. With this type of class in this format, you have to do those things. You have to. This is an interviewing class. You cannot learn interviewing just by looking at a textbook and answering, taking quizzes, and looking at PowerPoint slides. It's not going to work that way. So this is what has to happen. Do not delay. Do not procrastinate. No excuses. You've got to have these practice sessions in place. Good job for the most part on the midterm practicums. Keep practicing. Practice every day in everything that you do. Reflection of feelings. This is a really important session. It's one that I think that people may become a little uncomfortable with at times because we don't like to talk about feelings usually. Or just people don't know how to respond. Feelings in general make people uncomfortable. So don't forget to, I just want to give you a heads up about the video that you had to do this week, the recording that you had to upload. I showed you the lab. You have core concepts, and you also have a quiz this week. So I posted some helpful interviewing tips on how to integrate feelings into the interview. Please review those. And as always, let me know if you have questions. Thanks a lot.